Como el de tu papá, ¿no?
Sí. Yeah. My oil pressure sensor and my force gate, really hard to get there with wider branches and really tiny spot. And I was trying with my old kit. There's Stanley. It's good, but I love this one. I mean, 3 ratchets, and it have more sizes, and it comes actually with this little thing here. There's a lot of screwdriver tips. Really good, really good. I recommend it. Just put screwdrivers and pliers, and you will be ready for everything.
Well, thank you. It is now in my possession. I am finally happy to have received it. Thank you guys very much for getting this to me.
Fresh.